Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a way in which you can use your DSLR camera as a webcam. My name is Dr. Venkatachalam. I make do-it-yourself videos. My website is www.Dr.A.K.Venkatachalam.com. My YouTube channel is Madras Joint Replacement Center. I request you to visit my website, share it, subscribe to it, and press the bell icon after you have subscribed. You may ask me, why should you use a DSLR camera at home? For one, you might have paid a lot of money for a DSLR camera which is lying idle at home. Next, the output from a DSLR camera will depend on the camera itself, but it is usually, since the sensor is bigger, it will be better than the output from the sensor of a webcam in a laptop. It can serve some useful function in the following situations. So you want to do a presentation, you want to record a talking head video along with you writing something or showing something from a sheet of paper. That is, you want to do an online tutorial, or you want to present some facts, so for which you may be needing an overhead camera. At that point of time, you will be scratching your brains as to how you could achieve it. So if you have your DSLR camera handy, you can use that as a additional camera. The webcam which is here in the laptop will serve as the main camera, and you can switch in OBS to a scene where the second camera can be focusing on a sheet of paper, and it doesn't have to be excellent footage to record the what is written on the paper. I'm going to demonstrate you that.
So this is the practical application of the use of a webcam in your presentation. Let me explain this scene. To the right here, you are seeing the original video capture from my webcam, my Surface laptop's webcam. To the left is footage captured by my DSLR camera, which I will be showing you now, and that is actually looking down upon a writing surface. This is a white sheet of paper. It's a Samsung app in my Samsung tab. I will be writing on this app. So let me show you what I'm going to write now. So I'm going to ask you about what are the latest trend of coronavirus in India. What is the of trend of coronavirus cases in India? As you know, there is an upward trend, and with the coming of autumn and winter, the cases are bound to go up. So, therefore, I urge everybody to take adequate precautions like hand washing, wearing a mask, and goggles. So, in your spare time, you are at home during this pandemic, you may be hard pressed to find some way to engage your mind. The idle mind is the workshop of the devil, and all sorts of things will come into your head. So, if you involve or indulge in some practical endeavor like this, trying to find out how you can put to use unused things at home, then it will be very useful for you, and you will gain some satisfaction. So, today I have shown you how to deploy an old DSLR camera as a second webcam. So, this is the practical use. I'm going to show you how I have made this design. To use your DSLR camera as a webcam, you need a few things. Firstly, you need your DSLR camera and a battery source. The battery source is short-lived, and for if you want to do a live presentation which may last, or a web conference which may last maybe half an hour or 1 hour, then you need an extended power source. So that means you have to connect AC power to your camera. Number one, you need an extended power source. Then you need to have an output from your DSLR camera. Even old DSLR camera like mine, which is 11 years old, has got an HDMI output. it's better to have a camera with a clean HDMI output. That means all the figures pertaining to the output like ISO, frame rate, etc., which are shown in the menu screen of the camera should not be there. You should get a clean HDMI output. So number two, you should need a clean HDMI output, and then you need an HDMI cable to take this HDMI, take the output from your digital camera and then convey it to your laptop. Then you need a video capture card. Right now, video capture cards can cost from 1,500 to 15,000 rupees. I just purchased one in the local market for 1,500 rupees, and it is doing a good job, as you can see. This is capturing the footage from the DSLR camera. So you need a video capture card. Then you need a mic. So this is the hardware which you need to use your DSLR camera as a webcam. Then the software which you require. If you want to combine multiple camera sources and an audio source for presenting your matter, then an OBS, which is a free application available online, will be useful. Then you can use any writing app. I'm using a Samsung app. But you can use OneNote or PowerPoint or Concepts or something, whatever. So this is my setup. This is my laptop here with the original webcam in the laptop. Connected to it is my digital DSLR camera here on a tripod. It has been fixed. It has been fixed so that it is looking down, and it is looking down on this tablet on which I write. DSLR camera is connected to my laptop with this HDMI cable. This is a video capture card, and the USB output from the video capture card is going into my laptop. So to summarize what I have said here, I have shown you how you can use your DSLR camera as an additional webcam or as a webcam by itself if it has got a good resolution and has got a clean HDMI output. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, kindly share it with your friends. Give it a like. Subscribe channel Madras Joint Replacement Center on YouTube. Visit my website www.Dr.A.K.Venkat.com. Hit the bell icon after you have subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.